Hey, what's going on? You here for an Uber?
Yeah,
All right. Catherine.
Yeah, it is. It's Caitlin, but...
What's that? It's Caitlin?
Yeah, but sometimes people call me Catherine.
Okay. Well, I just want to make sure I got the right person. Dang, there's a huge party over there, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Dang, there's like people. There's tons of people.
Yeah, there's a lot of people. Wait.
Whoa, there's limo. That's a Hummer limo.
Yeah.
Who's over there? Is this some famous person?
The place you just picked me up at?
Yeah, is that like Kylie Jenner or something?
I mean, it's kind of like, you know, a secret or whatever, but...
Oh, you don't want to tell me?
No.
Come on, we're friends.
Well, I mean, maybe you'll drive me back there and you can see, but right now we're just going to pick up a couple people and then we'll...
We're going back?
Is that fine? Yeah.
So we're just picking up people?
I mean, that's what we put in on the app, is you were going to do like a round trip thing.
Oh, I see. You did another 2 stops?
Yeah, another 2 stops.
Well, yeah.
No, it's just
I usually don't do that, but for people who leave big tips, I will. So if you don't mind throwing an extra 20.
Wait, so we're actually not making 2 stops, we're making 3 stops because we're picking up Taylor and then Marie and then going back there.
Well, like I said, if you live a cash tip, I'm totally fine to do it. At least 20 bucks.
Oh,
if you don't mind. Is that cool?
Okay, that's fine. But
you guys can all split it, like $5 each. Is that cool?
No, that's fine. But your
trying to pay off my student loans.
For sure. Yeah. Your app said 2 stops, but we're making 3. So I just wanted to check.
Yeah, I got we're going to McDonald's and then going to somebody's house after.
No, this is a Ford? What color is your car?
Black.
Oh my god, okay, so can you actually stop the car? I was supposed to get into like a blue, like Ford Fusion or whatever, but blue.
This is a Ford Explorer.
Okay, I don't know anything.
You got the wrong ride. You got the wrong ride, lady.
All cars look the same to me, but I'm gonna get out now, so.
Oh my gosh. Where's my Uber rider? What the heck?